Hi, my name is Olivia Sanders, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my W200 experience, some of the few tools that I have created, and why these tools are great for the classroom. So technology should be integrated in the classroom because technology is always changing, and it can be very helpful for our students too. They can learn more, they can better themselves, and technology keeps the students engaged because younger students, especially younger students in elementary, love to get their hands dirty. They love to get in their hands-on activities, and they just love it. And I believe that students learn better, especially whenever they get their hands in there, because they're thinking for themselves, they're not getting taught they're just figuring out these problems for themselves. So let's dive right into some of my artifacts. So this first one that I love so much is the s'more badge that we all got in our W200 experience. So this is, you can use this website to create newsletters. I will definitely be using this in the future to keep in contact with students and their parents, and you can send out announcements if there's anything that's going on at the school, or if there's like a test or anything coming up. So I will definitely be using that in the future. So this is the Kahoot game that I created, which I used it for the standard for describing the overall structure of the story. So Kahoot can be used as a review game. It's also fun as a review session during the classroom, and students can also use it as review, as like a study guide, and it's just a fun way to keep them engaged, and it's all sorts of fun. So my other best project was a Jeopardy game. So everybody loves Jeopardy, and this is a math one. This is a little harder for them, so this is made for 4th and 5th grade students. So they can play this game, they can use it as an end of, we can pick how many teams. This can be used as, I'm trying to think, this can be used as like an end of unit review. So if the students want to like go through the whole chapter and then use this as review, it could be great. It could be used for like a final exam, like a cumulative final exam, and it would just be a fun way to like test yourself against other students and everything. So I loved W200 because I found out about so many different tools and how to use these tools to help better myself and my students in my future classroom. So that's all for me. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed a few of my tools, and let's do it.